Over the past few decades, electric bikes have undergone a remarkable transformation. While their origins can be traced back over a century, it wasn't until the 1990s that the modern version emerged and was initially met with little fanfare. In the present day, the market is brimming with an abundance of electric bikes, leaving enthusiasts with a daunting question. How does one choose the perfect e-bike that not only meets their requirements but also puts them at the forefront of the pack? Join us as we embark on a journey to unveil the pinnacle of electric bike excellence, exploring the top contenders that define the cutting edge of this rapidly evolving industry. Get ready to discover the finest electric bikes of 2023 as we guide you toward the ride of a lifetime. While we have another video already highlighting the best of 2023, this mid-year update will ensure you stay up to date with the latest innovations and advancements in the world of electric bikes. If you like what you see, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell to get notified of new videos. Without further ado, here's our first one. The Ride1UP Rev1 is the clear winner among moped-style electric bikes on the market today. This exceptional e-bike offers an exhilarating and fast ride, while serving as a fully functional electric vehicle. With its powerful 750-watt rear hub motor and throttle, the Rev1 can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it a Class 2 e-bike. However, Ride1UP takes it a step further by allowing the bike to be unlocked for Class 3 mode, enabling even faster pedal-assisted travel on public roads or unrestricted speed on private property. It also comes with essential features like lights, turn signals, fenders, and an electronic horn. While the Rev1 excels at throttle-based riding, we were pleasantly surprised by how easy it is to pedal. The cadence sensor ensures a smooth and relaxed ride, with the motor engaging seamlessly as soon as you start pedaling. The bike's stability while braking or traveling at high speeds is also impressive. The Rev1 is available in 2 trim packages, each offering distinct features at a price of $2,395. With its comprehensive set of features and budget-friendly pricing, it's no wonder the Ride1UP Rev1 has secured our top spot as the best moped-style electric bike of the year. The Aventon Pace 500.3 ST is our top pick for e-bikes for seniors, offering features that address their specific needs. With a step-through frame for easy mounting and dismounting, an upright seated position to reduce strain, and gentle handling for slower reflexes, it ticks all the right boxes. One standout aspect of the Aventon Pace 500.3 ST is its relatively lightweight construction compared to similar models, weighing just 52 pounds. This makes it remarkably easy to manage, despite the added weight of suspension forks, large tires, racks, baskets, and fenders. The 500-watt brushless hub motor of the Aventon Pace 500.3 ST delivers surprising power, propelling riders up to speeds of 20 miles per hour with pedal assist or throttle. The bike can also be unlocked to achieve Class 3 performance through the smartphone app, supported by its 8-speed Shimano drivetrain. The Aventon Pace 500.3 is available in 2 frame designs, traditional and step-through, and 2 sizes, providing seniors with options for a comfortable fit. The adjustable stem allows riders to customize the reach according to their preferences. With its step-through design, exceptional range, and thoughtful features, the Aventon Pace 500.3 ST is the ideal choice for seniors seeking a comfortable and reliable e-bike at a price of $1,699. The Blix of any Skyline is the standout choice in the step-through category of our best e-bikes list. While it may not have the lowest step-over height, it strikes a balance between rigidity and accessibility. The low-position top tube contributes to the bike's overall ride quality, offering a confident and stable experience that instills trust in corners and ensures long-term enjoyment. Even without motor assistance, the Blix of any Skyline provides a beautifully simplistic riding experience. It stands out among e-bikes that feel remarkable to ride purely on human power. The electrical components of the Blix of any Skyline are also impressive. The 500-watt motor and 614-watt-hour battery seamlessly harmonize with the 7-speed drivetrain, delivering a well-rounded and efficient performance. In addition to its comfortable orientation, the Blix of any Skyline features a classic car-inspired paint job that turns heads and makes a stylish statement. To summarize, the Blix of any Skyline excels in frame rigidity, ride quality, and a simplistic yet enjoyable riding experience, despite not having the lowest step-over height. With its impressive electrical components and eye-catching design, it stands out as a top choice in the step-through e-bike category. All of this is at a price tag of $1,799. Finding an e-bike priced below $1,000 can be a gamble. While we understand the desire to maximize value, inflation has impacted the quality of many budget options. However, the Lectric XP Lite breaks this pattern by offering an impressively affordable e-bike that has earned our recommendation. Instead of creating an e-bike specifically designed to be low-cost, Lectric took a different approach by slimming down its successful XP 2.0 model. By removing features like the suspension fork, rack, fenders, and multi-gear drivetrain, Lectric was able to offer an e-bike at a price point that is accessible to a wide range of buyers. The weight reduction from these emissions allowed Lectric to equip the XP Lite with a 300-watt motor and a 374-watt-hour battery, resulting in a range comparable to the XP 2.0. Additionally, its 46-pound weight makes it one of the easiest folding e-bikes we have come across. Priced at $799, the XP Lite stands out as a top contender between lightweight design and affordability. Traditional 70-pound e-bikes can be challenging for smaller or elderly riders who may have lost strength, so we appreciate the broad appeal of a lighter option like the XP Lite. Himaway stands out from other e-bike companies by focusing on fat tire models and prioritizing a comfortable riding experience with their 4-inch wide tires. Across their lineup, Himaway excels in 4 key areas. Their bikes are large, fast, offer long-lasting battery life, and come at an affordable price point. This makes them particularly appealing for big and tall riders. The inclusion of a sizable battery, like the uncommon 840-watt-hour battery found on their bikes for a $1,399 price tag, ensures a worry-free commute. Himaway bikes feature powerful, swift motors capable of reaching Class 3 speeds, regardless of rider weight or payload. They perform exceptionally well on hills, surpassing the competition in speed. The wider tires of Himaway bikes enhance stability and comfort, with the 26 by 4-inch tires providing ample width. This feature is especially appreciated by larger riders who benefit from the advantages of larger tires. In addition to their performance, Himaway bikes, such as the Himaway Cruiser, include lights and a rear rack, adding versatility and exceptional value. While the Himaway Cruiser caters to riders of all sizes, it particularly satisfies the needs of bigger or taller riders, making it a noteworthy choice among the best electric bikes available. Rad Power Bikes has made significant improvements to its popular commuter model with the Rad City 5 Plus, making it an easy choice for our list of the best electric bikes. One notable upgrade is the redesigned appearance, featuring a semi-integrated frame-mounted battery instead of an external battery pack. The modern paint job on this classic Dutch-style bike creates an appealing combination. Rad also implemented a dual-display setup, a unique feature that effectively presents information to the rider. Powering the bike are a 672-watt-hour battery and a 750-watt geared rear hub motor. Rad has optimized the electronics for smooth engagement during rides, ensuring rider comfort and control. With a price point of $1,999 and additional features, such as the 59.5-pound capacity rear rack, 50mm suspension fork, fenders, and integrated front and rear lights, the Rad City 5 Plus meets almost all the requirements on a commuter's wish list. Looking for a Class 3 commuter that offers top-notch performance? Look no further than Ride1UP's 700 series, a remarkable electric bike that keeps up with traffic without draining your wallet. We couldn't help but be amazed by the incredible value packed into this electric commuter bike, which is why it earned a spot on our best electric bikes list. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features. A 720-watt-hour Samsung battery, a powerful 750-watt motor with 60 Nm of torque, Tektro dual-piston hydraulic brakes, a 100mm travel suspension fork, Schwalbe Supermoto X 27.5 by 2.4-inch tires, and an 8-speed Shimano Acera drivetrain. Furthermore, Ride1UP includes all the essential features you would expect on a commuter bike, such as integrated lights, fenders, and a sturdy rear rack for panniers. But here's the real kicker. With a selling price of $1,495, this electric bike feels like a steal when you consider that most affordable, fully equipped commuters cost $200 to $300 more. The value provided by the Ride1UP 700 series is off the charts, and the fun factor is equally impressive. The Rad Runner Plus from Rad Power Bikes is a unique and versatile electric bike that has captured our hearts. With its distinctive moped-style seat, small wheels, built-in rear rack, and funky bionics handlebars, the Runner Plus boasts a quirky style that may take some getting used to. However, once you hop on the bike, everything falls into place. Despite its weight of 74.3 pounds, it handles nimbly, and its unconventional frame design is surprisingly functional. Rad Power Bikes has created numerous accessory options that can be attached to the rear pannier-style rack, including a tank-style box that fits between your legs. Powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor and a 672-watt-hour battery positioned below the seat, the Runner Plus delivers ample power for carrying passengers, cargo, or simply cruising around town. It features a twist throttle and comes with a bench seat mounted on the rear rack and foldable foot pegs, providing comfortable accommodation for a friend. Not only is the Rad Runner Plus one of our favorite e-bikes, but it undoubtedly stands out as one of the best electric bikes of the year. If you're seeking a versatile ride that can handle various tasks, we highly recommend considering the Rad Runner Plus, which costs $1,849. The Lectric XP 3.0 may not be the most luxurious or high-end folding electric bike available, but its popularity and value are hard to ignore. The Lectric XP series is one of the most frequently spotted bikes, and it's no wonder why. Priced at $999, it offers incredible affordability without compromising on the fun factor. The XP 3.0 is the third iteration of Lectric's folding fat tire e-bike. Released in 2022, it features a 500-watt motor, a suspension fork, mechanical disc brakes with 180mm rotors, and a 48-volt, 10.4 ampere-hour battery that provides a decent range for its size. Additionally, recent updates include a rack capable of supporting 150 pounds, improved contact points for added comfort, and more. While the specifications alone offer great value at this price point, what truly sets the XP 3.0 apart is its ride quality. This compact folding bike has a robust and sturdy feel, reminiscent of the popular Honda three-wheelers from the late 1980s. It may not be exceptionally fast or agile, but it delivers a thrilling and reliable performance. The Lectric XP 3.0 won us over with its affordability and fun factor. Let's be clear, there are higher-end folding bikes available to cater to different needs. However, when it comes to affordable folding e-bikes, the XP 3.0 stands as the people's champion. Among the electric bikes on our best electric bikes list, it's difficult to find one that offers such affordability and versatility. The newly updated Aventon Adventure 2 electric fat bike has ever since been one of our favorite e-bikes, and it certainly lives up to the hype. While it offers the expected features of a $1,999 electric fat bike, such as a 750-watt motor, suspension fork, and solid components, what sets the Adventure apart is its attention to detail. It boasts a full-color LCD display, metal fenders, hydraulic disc brakes, and integrated taillights that double as turn signals. Additionally, it stands out as one of the few e-bikes in this category and price range, with a fully integrated battery that seamlessly blends into the frame and incorporates a torque sensor for more responsive motor engagement. These small details contribute to an e-bike that feels more premium than its price suggests. It delivers a stable and confident ride, particularly on rough terrain, and it's impressively quick. Aventon may not have reinvented the affordable electric fat bike, but they have certainly raised the bar for what we expect from a sub-$2,000 e-bike. Whether you need a daily commuter, a weekend plaything, or a leisure ride, this bike can do it all. Its versatility and pure enjoyment factor have solidified its place among our top choices for the best electric bikes of 2023. As we conclude our exploration of the best electric bikes for 2023, we have witnessed a diverse range of remarkable models that cater to various preferences and needs. Our selection showcases the top performers in each category, highlighting their standout features, exceptional value, and overall riding experience. But our journey is not over yet. Join us in part 2 of our Best E-Bikes for 2023 series, where we will unveil more exciting models that have caught our attention. Stay tuned as we continue our quest to bring you the most comprehensive and up-to-date guide to the best electric bikes of 2023.